a to b. A to b is our limit is 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi. And f of x is this stuff. Whatever function we have, pi minus x by 2 square. Now, what we have to do is dx, okay, normally. So this is single integration. So, but what the problem is here is this is a function u, let's say, equal to f of x. Now this whole stuff is u square or f of u actually. So now this is function inside function. For what we can do is, if u equal to f of x and uh, if integration of f of u is going on, so we have a chain rule formula which is integration of outer function, okay, integration of outer function divided by derivative of inner function, which is f of x. Okay, now what do we have here is so for that, what we have here is so we have to take integration of pi minus x by 2 whole square divided by derivative of d by dx of pi minus x by 2 whole square, sorry, pi minus x by 2, because inside it was pi minus x by 2, okay, the inside u part, okay, not the whole part. Outside function we dealt with here. So what I have to do is integration x raised to n is n x raised to n sorry, x raised to that is our derivative. Here the power divides, so x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here power raises and power divides. Okay, so what we are doing here, so we have to take integration of pi minus x square first. Pi minus x square is we don't have to break this down, only this square derivative. What I have to do is, this is n here, right, square, like raised to thing here. So what we are gonna do is, we are gonna add this plus 1, add here 1, and divide by same stuff, okay, like 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. Okay, so what it is gonna be that we are gonna discuss later. Now yo, what's up? One person came to the stream. Welcome to the stream, bro. Thanks for coming. Yo, what's up? Thank you for coming, bro. 5 people, bro. That's crazy. That's crazy. Thanks for coming. I really appreciate your presence, Thank you very much. So derivative of pi minus x square. So I can write pi minus x square as pi by 2, pi minus x by 2. I can write it as pi by 2 minus x by 2. I just broke this common denominator. Yo, 17 people, that's crazy. Thanks for coming, bro. Really appreciate it. Common denominator into two parts, because only common denominator we can operate this, okay? With common denominator we operate this. So now I broke it into 2. Now what do we do in derivative? Derivative of two functions added, let's say f of x plus g of x. Altogether, if we take derivative, it is equal to derivative separately, d by dx of f of x, just add them, so d by dx of g of x. Okay, yo, what's up? Welcome to the stream, bro. Thanks for coming, 7 folks. You can why not come up in the chats and we can interact, chat and interact. So I have to divide this, so I can take separate derivatives. Okay, pi by 2 minus derivative of, I told you here, like I can taking altogether addition of functions derivative is equal to taking separately derivative of functions. Okay, d by dx of x by 2. So what happens here is pi by 2 is a constant, because pi is a constant and 2 is a constant, like number. Pi is 3.14, so it is a fixed constant. 2 is also constant. Both are constant divided by constant is constant. And what you know is derivative of constant is equal to 0. Okay, so derivative of constant, this whole thing is 0. Now let's focus on this d by dx. So we can divide this as anything divided by 1 is equal to that only. And so fraction is like numerator into numerator and divided by denominator into denominator. Okay, So we can break this like x by 2 into this, like x can so anything multiplied by 1 is itself only. So I can write this x as x into 1 and this 2 as 2 into 1, and I can break this. So what happens is x into 1, numerator and denominator, numerator, denominator and denominator. So same thing comes. So 1 into anything, 1 into anything, x, and this 2, x by 2. So same thing, question didn't change. So question doesn't change. No issues there. Okay, so something came up. Bye, like to subscribe. See you next time. Thank you very much. I'm really sorry for this very short live. So yeah, bye. Thank you. Like to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.